na doctor Baho or Baho Babesnaye, because I never cham ye no. Enti oba yesi apen waka so we de woni adin koma wi a yenje 20,000 na yemfa ento ye ho na we de obi amfa nye ni pocket money say like wabedi die wi wo kwa start adwuma no pay enti obi anye to yenye 20,000 na ke say enipa 8 om kwata 20,000 a mbato obi abenya say obi abenya more than 2,000 because enipa 10 kola na obi abenya 2,000 Ghana cedi. Right? It never babeka 4,000. So near 2,000, babeka 4,000. Into 4,000, no. Ebi a yen never ye admin so. Any pastors ebi a munchengu so. And I say ebi a say. Tinacha say, Opia when ya was on your 2,500 Ghana cedi. Like I say, would they a share a year or half a now with the show butum. And tia no kwaswono. Sablana yiba ho fairness say Kwame Dinkra. Eba ho ebesai because of na ye bebie ayina no nti ono so ba ehobi na sabre ye de yakwakoda ho na kofi adoma nwanwani sabre no nti na kese eye 8 no said na be can be become repeat wo hema din no nti na kese 8 kofi adoma be kai se me american pa nti wana me kai se me reja yi bi ba se ni edidi nkomo na me reja yi be se angel no de ewo ho ya ba adwuma obi anim se nye kete ne e be saaye ya adwuma den and I say, I kono, and will be eba angel. No mum jam pass a make any and say, Yadinamia some near the angel defeating angel from us. Yanimanja from a check, ye started from Kumasi. Started Doctor Yamiaka Same brother. Ye started angel check, but I mean, you shall move. It is no man, we need time for say, and I will the question behind the question. May you make me a point, my point become baby. Entino, ye crying, I'm going to Entino, ya a Jumanache. Nyame adum ye nyina ya ka abom obi obi aye star nyame nhira mo pa na captain mienu ya no mo nante yeden ti de me sere nyina ne se ye de nyame asem na di kanti de me sem nyina se ye koi mo nhwe na mo ankotu nuru ye ntunu ne de awrade kwa awrade bedi ye nanim na ebe wie ye yi mo nyeme so amen e ho na captain pagya ne sa ene o se sofo wa ka asem pa o na me se atesa me se me tu he me ayi kra anwanse no sentati akra me nibi me ayi sa na me denam I hope someone na mo nyina mo be kai sa se Stacy be kai Kofi Adoma woni be kai ye Kojo Dixon JM be kai wahema we ye je be kai Dr. Oku Aten be kai CEO Bronzy be kai I hope some mo kai sa no ma we se nyina Papa Shamo na DJ Wuli me simu nyina mo kai sa enoma we nyina kama because enna eye afe pepepe enna enkomhye no aye adwuma entino because asi wo tu aduro na se de nyame ayi na aye na aka so de aduro na wo de ba ba ayi a wanhwe ya na ye bedi afe no ento se ye be celebrate ye 1 year no na oni pakro na won ka ye ho ampanso ye celebrate ye 1 year captain won ka ye ho te se wa firim ana aka yen yo eye na ejina hai ana se ye bo adwuman so ye bo so adwuman ekoso min kasada yes min kasada I don't have time to talk but what I'm saying this afternoon is say ebra captain ye yi wadi no se ye yi wadi na so pesa wo ba adwuma mu bie wu ade ye nim ne say you just over find it the right way na wasaba but time na e ka se kwete fe just 30 days ye pese ma won say angel fam no ni ABN obi amro mrase e ka se kwete na fie for 30 days ni so na se hia wa ye be flew eno ne de ye letter no eno ne de ye de ma wo but wo kwete na ase na so wa bi TV station adwuma de ye bobra ye bokọ yanim enhyan ka awrade din Dr. Kwaku Aten omeka sai angel tiefo bia angel FM workers obia no okasa eye efan say adwuma wura ena de CJM de ohwa adwuma so wa ha say on kire letter nim na emom wo mo boss ma ne nchirem ena obechem de kire tiefo de ntia eye menua captain wo ye de wo de free angel afan dey say there I think say yesterday was say we say wo no ma angel wo be wa me your listeners afan so wo no wa ma your Facebook ya radio ye nya Facebook o eno ne ade deceive ya na eye angel fans abey say FM enya angel Facebook tio Facebook dia na Facebook ba da bay Facebook dia wo ye be deceive because viewership me pen metima nya no Facebook enso na nya sa na nete enipa me yensa betuma be nya Facebook ba me betimi ama ebia ye hu ni say ye nipa be 1000 ye ka listeners ye ka tiefo so wo mutie eno asam na me ye da be make it is like say captain obaso chese time na ntu ba ye na radio ne ye akono anti no a door wo kon anti wan kasa wo ba ha be frame ne metena ase wo officer de ama wo satan start adwuma bomba baso kasa papa ye say the angel dear ya fa be bia wo data akra we are one of the best suffer we can kuda and we say bomba baso go ade president Kofu akura baso body ya bere me sa ada no sa oni nyina na neti anade captain wo call ya wo say ye radio station o ba ye no na wo ma ye listeners sese na aguo afa ne yes be start wo ba ye na aguo ye because wo be na asomdwe ni ha and we se wa kame we fashion we nwan wo be say bibia collapse bibia but Dr. Kwakwati obi a ono we businessman to kuta adwen tina wo so onya abotere se nyanyame a enka wo free angel famase no enka wo ne Dr. Kwakwati kwa keka wo ne ono akasa ne ba offense ave si wo ka ka wo mutiri bom ama wo mienu ko mutam tete hwa dabia me ka asem o radio so me se se wo ne wo bi nam a na se wo no ka asam kokua mu disia ada wo bubefuo no de me ye hunu se you are mature person say ada wo bubefuo no don't mention it eno ye hunu say you are mature person but so no bi nam wo tua wo ka patoja nyam wodi ada na ekọ na ma 20,000 captain be si na me wo de wo fai me de wo fai be de wo wa fa ma me o fai but na wo so wo sika wo ho nkyere wo da but me wo fa me sika na me soma nkura we be 2 weeks time ka chan nkura say won kura yi ne ayi mo sofo bright wo yam dance ni wo na wo de 1,000 share we nsam no okay ana me ka say wonya yi won fa man kura no mfa nkodidi ana wo ma boys no 1,000 dia kan wo fa wu fa di ti asam ne yo ana mpasa me kai bibi kire nyame ma na wo se wo no obi nante wo no obi twempena wo no obi wale wo no obi fa adamfo wo koyi obi adwuma obi beje wadwuma na se mu ntam tete ya keep the secret shut up keep the secret shut up come on tom captain asam we ya ko ka ya ka cho so didi mpin fastem enti jai tena fie na fa sua nyansa we say asam we a case asam we a case aso dem ko 20% aso dem ye 20% obi na bia na dwuma and what artist what dey no ma to and wo ya dwuma and what manya we na ye we and why and what na 30 days you see how you create wo de ba bia be ya dwuma wo be free bia wo create problem de to na wo ma be ya otamfo wo free adom ya atamfo adom mu e be pem ne wo free angel fam engu me say tata ma na angel fam gina so Ghana na nye kumase o angel 96.1 Satan na efanse Kwame Adinka Jola kan sports Kwame Adinka na morning show o mu nyina gya adwuma angel fam da so ebe pem ne angel fam da so ewuli e da so ho engu e da so ho engu Kwame Adinka ko ye no okwa no asomdwem no e na Kwame Adinka sa ya adwuma wo ABN this sports Obama Sadiq no ya adwuma wo angel kumase ofiri ho ba Accra ye ba ye because aso ye peace ayinti no ene ye ba ye sa bia adwuma wo angel ha radio adwuma we kwa ha adeta we kwa ha ene we timi fa ha but obi akwa obi akomporto ne self after the Dixie free offense peace FM wo ba angel but obi ankan peace assembly but ada ye bia radio we ano no the reason why man tena makam na nam so na me ferry do you know the reason why na me ferry because the way na nam wo ye station na wo free wa ba no it's like say na offense say adom sa na angels eye adwuma what kind of I hate that you know me nipa wo mabrabom and obi a wo free baby a wo free ho na ye toma wudin de wo se ho ye ba wo free baby a peto collapse wo se wo kuta adwene we wo tim na ye radio ni a amwa wo bi ye nye fe I'm telling you. So we no be far than for no jadam for far. Time na no you no yadam for no. And some no time kokom when ni jadam for far ya me kan ni pam. Me we fi book bi. Your friend dey be say master killer was dey. As one head and card you know. But no dia fan chen no obi ahunu say no worker. Say Dr. Kwakwati attacks. She say what free hand ticket obegu a nipa dom a angel has a feed you no. Na nkwasiafo bi omo nso ni mu nyansa bi wa no nso no ososo. Kwa na kwatu aka. Kwa ni nkwatu aka. Angel enguda. Never. Dabio. Me see ye bia djuma market fo a no mu ru ayi no ajaye one day engu. Tata nam ye watch night wa angel kumase. Engu. Tama na me ya program of force. Satam kana your friends away. The okan news me am by was international. Satam kana ko no kan na be sha me je me bag di wuram. Tim kan be sha was international say was awabere. And then dia saba be sha wa ha. Ya enye na ne 3 days ni ya start preach on radio so. Ya start preach radio so na 3 days. But ye free ye kwa ye ba ye fa ye say. But what you keep the secret. No wa you aduma. This is the professional. But you obi a wo frag mama wo pesa wo wunti wa front aduma ngu. Dr. Kwaku think one word. Great man bronze ka one word. But nana ugina na wo grant interview. Nana ugina say wo say Saturday or Sunday say yes sir. Wo na wa judgment na yem fire aduma. Captain, say the truth. I can read the letter here. Captain, no wa judgment. What judgment be? Ha! Yam pese besa wo carry adwen papa wo yetirim. Adwen pa. E wo Dr. Kwaku tirim. And was so dear. Kwa asumdwem. But say since I saw person chata wo wagya adwuma de akate. No wagya adwuma. Ye wadi. I'm part of the letter. Ye wadi. And I don't ye wadi. Kaki nene ka pepes no kwa wa mimi wo sesi ka na ukuta sesi no. Ni kiss first and what do you call ne pepes. Ene nayi e wo mo sesi ka no kwa sa fabra. Because one to me anya adwuma dia e was all the kind of saba. What kind of what is captain? Adanam yasomunye. Adai. Wo free baby ani abo ayi your friends ya party. Adai. Wo tie me, minim say wo tie me, ana wo hwe mo Facebook. But me person me catch na wo say. So we nipa dwen. So we adwuma baby a na so wo free ho nipa da so ye adwuma ho. Hwe yie and one wa de so person adwuma ni ngu. All because wo free ho nti. Wo kuta what is that adwen papa. So what is that? Adai ayi Kofi Adoma so de oye money show enko. Na no mutwa yi. Kofi Adoma Facebook. Na makotwa kaki Facebook. Na mo de toto ayi say. Na we dey say. Na ye radio na ye Facebook. Ye Facebook o. Ye radio. This Angel FM. Not a FM say Facebook. What are you talking about? What you say? Oko bustu your fans Facebook na nipa be I know your radio. Ha? Ya Angel FMO and Angel Facebook. Kona kwa chake ansasa ube free ase no. Ayina a month last 2 months the na ba ye no. Kona kwa chake ne fatoto money show you who say e fa ne say na wo da say. Ade say wo free say radio na gu. Nti ente ene yen wo mu ha ho. What are you talking about? Ha? Ade na mu free baby a na mo pese mo say ho. Su baby wo radio fo bi mu a it's not good. Go find my free friend say Adom and ba etena fie. Man test we can just one word and we adwuma ha. And next go find my so be sa akọ Adom FM obetima akọ. But wo ntimi nko ho. Na we ya say and etena we ya say Sub Adena would the NDC for no. A bit now would be DMPP for MPP for mommy smart. What a company for Meshawa or Pim so Bibi as I made Jasana mechanica. Yana for Sabi, Sabi, what make Captain Smarter? What them so you holy? Captain Smart, what you're Christian. You are not a Christian. You come and preach every morning, but you are not a Christian. You are a hypocrite. You are a hypocrite. Trust me. You are not a Christian. That's the reason why I say, so now when you're go to me, catch that. Doctor, catch Bronzy said, it's a meme and Fred Mama, won't you, Juma? What? Won't you, Juma? Oh, Baba told me more. My Juma for 3 solid years. Because when you mean Shiana, my spirit of Peter knows no spirit and call. It is a meme question come. MPP and this. You took my picture. Now when they suffer bit here. And one also for no casam, I'm a mo. But one show the picture on TV. You took my picture on TV. Red TV, radio station, me preaching. TV, I mean also. You took my picture on radio and the TV, on Facebook, to destroy my image. Can someone mean you be that? What do you mean? Who are you? What you mean you are ketua? Captain Michel Bebre, what you mean you are ketua? And I know you are in your school. Nanu ya, and I your school. What you mean you are ketua? Michel and Fium. Huh? What are you talking about? No more motiti actually. Now the one telling you if I'm not listening, angel, obibeti. If I'm not come to my program, obibaba. Just said your word, Jimmy. Me say, Ghana is a serious country. I could be able to take Captain Smart. I'm telling you, if Ghana is a serious country, there's no one, a single person, can listen to a friend like Captain Smart. Ah! No single person can listen to you. Now Ghana is serious. Ghana is serious. Ghana is a serious country. It is what you did your man penina temwa over Jidin. We insult him penifua over Jidin. That is Ghana for you. It's Ghana and once over no be to over a president Akufo-Addo. Listen, so be ye bibi na one na adwene enkwa. Enya tem didi e yo man panyini. Wo ye ne driver crowd captain. Ka be tu hu. And was I a panyini? Yes, I need politics. Yes, I need journalism to insult people, to insult leaders. Di Mahamatam Satam or two sacrifice them. Kabayan say Yantisania says ya disikabi brawa and one yano. Now man for free say now I go find the better say how many years in it? It is 5 good years. 5 years in here. That in a war kind and to this President Nana Akufo-Addo estate. And you did a war kind. A friend was asking. No. Yanyap your more brasa. So obedi will be at them. I say you will be now would ya peja. Your more brasa. So what is that him? And then me join and go to me so and I make a captain. So obey me as my younger brother. Tell me your commands over me. Such a wagon. So be dear so chat yes watch. Uni yes watching swap. No baby we gina bre. Mini so ba be yan wo be yan wa metro de ntia me see wo be di Kristo achi di Kristo achi. Uni yes watch ya me ehunu. Na me wo ye no enya atwom. Wo ye greedy. And Ghana na wo fight ama Ghana. Wo fight for your stomach. Let me tell you. You are not fighting for Ghana. And because of your deceiving people. No one Opa ko radio station bi a captain akosoda. Na pa obi onim captain. Ne busa ni suba, ne busa suba o de radio TV so. What? And yes na wo kata radio, yes na wote. Beware. Beware. And yes na wote. I will tell you. I hate that nonsense. I hate that hypocrite. Will be billions of cities to build this radio. Billions of cities to build this radio. You chauka say. Who see in chauka? Send your chauka. And Amenka. Send your chauka. We go to Master send a doctor demo. For your transport, for your fuel. We give you 10,000 for your fuel. Kumasi to Accra. na pray crap fu asa na digum ti wa mo obi abaso a yesai no na mo teto nam ne nam Facebook na mo twetwe nsam phone kru asesam say ya tom wo eno na de Ghana abedu sabre obi afiri ba bi opesa wo hwe fom eno ne ye ne ye mbelde wo man sa se we na ne sofo be na nta ofiri o sofo no ho de o so ofiri awurade ofiri sofo no ho a o ofiri awurade o kwa sori ya no ofiri ho no ma no da sori we ayi ko enfiri awurade one ni pastor sinam one ni janantia what he say even when it come to even a marriage. What? The doctor ayawo pa Captain Smart. The wayawo. But ene was one year here you have money who is calculating no. Wo ho nkyere wo da. Captain you know ho nkyere because I radio adwuma nko ana wo ye de anka ho betima kyere wo. But enye radio adwuma nko ana wo ye. If your income is only from radio and ka wo ho betima kyere wo. But you know your sources. That's the reason why I was on channel with that. Many a friend say, see what you crying. You feel plan we see ya. Satan I got to nyame sati adwuma. You call see what nam. See what I am about. Oh, respect me. Dr. Wakwati, well, you're my brother, but your friend, papa. Or respect him. And I'm so Captain and you about a bay. I'm also on the phone. I need to know them because I didn't speak out of them. About a bay. Oh, say. And then I said, oh, but no, now watch it. But now I was saying, hey, this is serious. An angel. You are destroying our image. Say, yeah, an angel. Angel. You don't know angel. Angel, like I wouldn't must see it. Wouldn't cry to buy. That's the reason why I you will see. So if you can destroy angel, you are selling us. Maybe I am a catch now. Minim sa wutie. Omba yo jodium. Don't reply. Conform. Na so so abie wa yi a. Se wo be fa workers na watu omuka. Okay. Now what you why? Yen 3 years. What are you 1 year pe? I give you 1 year. For workers 10 chiomuka. Just 1 year. Na ya adwuma no. Na enyina wo say ya for 1 year. What am I doing? I speak as a man of God. I give you 1 year, Captain. For workers, 10. Chiomoka. Na yamaninya was say ya 1 year. And can you be a juma? Because you are found a juma muno. Naka so you be or fair juma or for workers or to show much. Because if we be for workers not show much there, just come to Angel and go to what do you call it? Adam and go to Kumasi Force FM and go to the what do you call it? Otek. Men cash. But nipa brewa. And a woman Angel ya IFA. Tiantina ho Dr. Okwat on Angel sikan wodi. Ba ya de ahani didi. Tiam ha mesai no. Uni pa kon so say hawa ke kan de obeka. Asana meka no no akata nim sa na meka no kwa na beka che na wie. Uti ababo. Oba repair meba second one. And no dia me de ayi na beba evidence am de beba. What is that? Now oba yes oba bo corner. Edi begina yi ebe sesa yi so na npa be hwe Facebook and radio na nipa na omuche nya no ma yi free ho. We are better than the radio. Not Facebook. So Dr. What are you interested? I want my Facebook and Coco Facebook or anybody. I go try the Facebook and go be Facebook. Come here radio. What is that? Yes, someone you yan. Nipa be ba ya adwuma o mo kɔ. But dem o mo timi kɔba because dem entia. Eye because of say onipa ni free ha. What eye adwuma ne ye. What me free na what timi akɔ. What timi fa na but on free baby apɛ so gu hɔ. Na wo so mo te hɔ na mo so. Se atua mo ka. Na mo nto mo pankɔ. Aka so obi o ka se enipa nyina na ɛsɛ wo mo. Ah, ebien de tua yi o. You trying to so do. Nyankopon adwuma no wa apam. You can't. Okay. Sabo. Na to say.
Papa, ya ho ye.
Ya de Nyankopon asepa.
Na o ba wo so e.
Nyame adom so me ho ye.
Jesus Christ standard.
Akwa ba nso so moni yo.
Ya nua. Ya be ne day.
Ya be ne.
Se Ghana so emu aye de pa.
Oh, Ghana boko. Ghana boko.
Yes, ye ho ye pa. Na se na ka me be do ntem de akede ka me ye life but kayafa me ha me ba no ha. Man just 10 minutes. Owi a me ba beto aso ne abom pa ye bi. Enti no me ma kayafa just 10 minutes pe. I saw them life worship. Yeah, in 10 minutes. And so on conclude sana. Unim ye. Ti kaya fa me more 10 minutes. Be ma on conclude sana wa ha. Na yentumi enye yina bibia ntumi enko ye kama. Bibia ntumi nye fe. I will be back by tomorrow. I will be back. Mesa maba. Nti de yenya kasemo no mfa ma kaya fa. Na yen sole onyankopon a ote ase na bibia nso ntumi enko ye kama ntumi emfa mayen so blight English Bible Daniel chapter 12 verse number 4.
Okay.
Daniel chapter 12 verse number 4 English Bible.
Daniel chapter number 12 verse number 4. Or say, but you, Daniel,
roll
up and seal the words of the scroll until the time of the end. Many will go here and there to increase knowledge. Daniel chapter number 12, verse number 4. But you, Daniel, roll up and seal the words of the scroll until the time of the end. Okay.
Papa.
Can you Bible man?
Odi fo ya na ngoma no. Eti e dum ye nchichemu nan no. O se na wo Daniel toto nsem no mu.
Toto dia bai.
Nsem no mu. Na so nhoma no ano kodu nsem no mu.
Sometimes you need to shut up. Shut up. Come on to. Shut up. Shut up. I find the yes Christ the year Judas. Pagan and left him. Unti ya can radio ni TV in album. But why you TV for no radio ni TV? Na ya record why you one day ni ababo. Shut up. Shut up. Ya ye bi amount. Shut up. Any person anymore. Shut up. Yet what time radio ni TV so the beer for 4-5 hours every day. Shut up. Huh? Yen ni panyo ma biu. Ti se bibi crazy na so afiri akola na. Eye kwan se ne ye de panyini ti se ti me boy kwaku oten. As a classmate. But you are my akola. What's up? I find out 30, I think 37 minimum the entire one you sa. Oh, you small boy. Huh? Shut up. Sabo. What money?
But you, Daniel.
Yes,
up. And seal the words of the scroll.
Yeah. Huh? Tutum manim. keka totum do tambia kwa no tum na hwɛ wɔse na dwen na hwɛ no ma ɛba bi the billions of ayi ɛde abia adwuma workers ɔndwene wɔ mu ho ɔdwene wɔn kwa wo de yɛwɔ month of June metro number 6 metro waseɛ wo de ɛnyɛ life worship no just 10 minutes metro number 6 ase metro the reason why nkyɛ yɛ bia adwuma we ya no ɛyɛ June if you don't understand the number 6 a wo ba fa ne sɛ bia na yɛ de ntia wo nim adekode ha number 6 metro number 6 ase metro de ntia bia adwuma na yi ɛne de ntia ne 1st June enso wo ni ha no Kayafa Kayafa na desai ya da Nyankopon ase nyame adome ho ya papa o ho ayefo eme wa